Question 9. The image above shows how molecules are transported across the cell membrane. Which of the following is showing facilitated diffusion? Okay. Whenever you see the word facilitated, I want you to think help. Right? It's our helper. You have the image on your test and the image for your cheat sheet are very similar. So for your cheat sheet, what I've had my students do is we kind of drew our umbrella to separate these two out. Alright, so on the left side is going to be our passive side, so I'm going to label that with our P because these molecules are going from an area of high concentration across the membrane to an area of low concentration, or a high amount to a low amount. Both of these images are. The difference here is this purple protein. Okay, so this is our protein. And then you have on the right side, this is going to be our active side. So I'm going to write an A because we're going from an area of low concentration across the membrane against the gradient to an area of high concentration. You even have your little sunburst, like pew pew, ATP. Okay, also has a protein. So this active transport is our protein pump. And then the difference between the left side, our passive side, well, this one is just going straight across the membrane, no help. So this is just regular diffusion. And then one with our protein helper is our facilitated diffusion. So I'm going to write facilitated down here because facilitated means to help. Looking at our answer choices, we have A because no energy is being used to move the molecules. Well, that is technically true in your answer choice because it's moving across the membrane, but there's facilitated, we need that protein. Okay, so we're going to put an X here. B because the molecules are using the protein to move from a high concentration to a low concentration. That is correct. B has that protein right here. C because energy is being used. Well, that makes that active. Facilitated diffusion is passive, so we're going to put an X there. And then D because energy is being used to move the molecule. Once again, that's active. We need passive. And if you go back and look at C, C is another example of passive transport. Our best answer for 9 is going to be B.